All right, y'all. I'm gonna do a quick video for you, showing you how we're gonna prune our frost and freeze burned banana plants here. They got hit hard by a prolonged freeze event. Now I'm certain that I'm not gonna get another freeze event, so I'm gonna go ahead and prune mine. If you're not certain, you might wanna just let yours be for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and prune them because I'm sick of looking at the dead leaves in the garden, and I'll show you what we're doing. It's real simple here. You can see a lot of them look dead. They got hit real bad, but you can see the trunks are still green on a lot of them, on almost all of them really. And we're over a week on from when it happened. So I think the plants are gonna live. So I'm just cutting all of the leaves off, except for, you can see I'm leaving at least some, if not all, of the last leaf that popped out of the plant. And I'll show you why here. It's because the next leaf is going to come out of that one. I think you can see it in this one right here. Yeah, you can see it wrapped up right there. And there's the next leaf that's going to come out. So, I mean, you could cut this right down, but you're going to lose a big portion of this next leaf. And obviously these plants need all the help they can get. They're real sorry. So that's all we're doing. I'm going through here because I'm sick of looking at the dead plants. I need to cut that one a little bit. And I haven't gotten to these yet, but I took out a couple plants altogether. This one had bananas on it. Let's see. Then I took out a couple big praying hands right here because they were leaning pretty bad. They were pretty big before they got hit with the storm. But I just use a serrated tool like this and just go ahead and so this is pretty much all I'm doing. And I know it looks like we butchered it here, but I was sick of looking at the dead leaves. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna we're gonna get another frost event, so I just went ahead and cut everything off. And I'm gonna keep going around the property and doing that. But I wouldn't do this if you think it's gonna freeze again in your area, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna freeze again in ours, so I'm doing it. So, all right, take care out there.